Hello reception, welcome back for your last lesson on English looking at space descriptions. Now our lesson focus for this week was writing a descriptive letter about a space adventure, including some facts that we learnt last week, and today you should be finishing your letters off. So our learning objective for the week was to write a descriptive and factual letter. And to do this, we have to use adjectives to describe space. We have to try and include as many facts in our letter. And we have to remind ourselves to use finger spaces, capital letters and full stops. Here's your last day of your writing. So if you haven't quite finished the sections from yesterday or the day before, make sure you finish those up first before you move on to today's part. So I'm going to read you my end of the letter, and it says, "Finally we visited Stripy Jupiter. It is the biggest planet in the solar system and is known as a gas giant. We quickly whizzed round as we did not want to get caught up in its giant spinning storm. We really enjoyed our quick trip to space. Maybe next time you can come too. Love, Miss Stevens." So I've used the word finally to tell us that this was the last thing that we saw on our trip. And I've used the word stripy to describe what Jupiter looks like. And then I have added in my fact saying that it is the biggest planet and that it's known as a gas giant. I've then added in a sentence of description saying we quickly whizzed round as we did not want to get caught up in its giant spinning storm. I then have finished off my letter with two sentences to say that we enjoyed our trip and that maybe next time Rachel can come with us again. So here I've just included the list to remind us what we need to include. So for the end of our letter, we need to write about something else that we saw, and then again describe it, so what was it like, and then see if you can include a fact about it. Then once you've done that bit, you need to add a finishing sentence. So it might be, "I wish you were there. Maybe next time you can come." And don't forget to sign off your letter by saying "from" or "love" and to write your name. Well done reception for this week's work. You should be really proud of yourself because you have written a whole letter and you've managed to use adjectives and facts, and hopefully you've remembered to use your finger spaces, capital letters and full stops.